Look at these two biological systems side by side. On the surface, Subject A and Subject B appear identical, but their states of being are governed by completely inverse dimensional physics. Subject A exists within the lower dimensional fields, dimensions 1 through 8. This reality is defined by a signature of high vibration and low oscillation. This chart on vibration and oscillation correspondences defines the mechanics. High vibration refers to energy held tightly inside the system, creating a state of constant contraction and extreme physical density. At the micro level, this creates a highly volatile, high-speed internal electron rotation. This rapid movement magnetically constrains the system's energy, forcing it into a state of compaction. Subject B exists in the higher dimensional fields, from dimensions 8 to 15. Their state is the exact inverse: low vibration and high oscillation. Oscillation is the process of energy being safely expelled outward. This shift into an electric state results in less physical density and a much slower, rhythmic electron spin. These inverse states create a stark divide. Subject A remains trapped in heavy contraction, while Subject B commands limitless expansion. To understand the disparity between them, we have to look at what governs their energy output. Beneath the visible energetic output lies an invisible framework. Every manifestation structure first emerges through a core template known as the Krist code Kathara Grid. This is a 12-center core scalar template. It is designed to act as a self-regenerating perpetual motion machine, circulating energy through a fixed network of transmission lines. Subject B's grid functions with high efficiency because it maintains precise, organic, angular, and proportional relationships between its 12 centers. Subject A's grid suffers from misalignment. Mutations have warped the geometric relativity and distances between these centers, shifting the entire structure out of balance. This grid misalignment is the structural root cause of Subject A's high vibration trap. It dictates the behavior of every quantum energy unit within the system. By scaling down to the quantum level, we can see the fuel running through the Kathara grid, a cycle called Particle phasing. Particle phasing is a continual fission and fusion cycle. A central particle unit constantly splits into matter, called particum, and antimatter, called partica. In a perfectly aligned grid, these matter and antimatter units recombine flawlessly along a neutral zero-point line. This neutral zero-point return allows the energy units to blend and return to their source. The process sparks again, creating a perpetual, self-regenerating loop of energy generation. Subject A's warped grid prevents this return. Without the neutral buffer of the zero-point line, the matter and antimatter units are forced into a direct collision. This collision converts the unit's thrust into unnaturally fast rotation. The resulting spin generates extreme internal heat and friction within the system. This internal friction is the exact definition of high vibration. It is the physical cause of Subject A's heavy, compacted density. Without a neutral zero-point return, the system cannot recycle its energy. It is forced to cannibalize its own thrust, preventing the achievement of perpetual motion. These quantum phasing mechanics dictate the everyday reality of both subjects. Subject A remains trapped in magnetic contraction because their misaligned grid forces their energy to consume itself through internal friction and heat. Subject B's aligned grid processes energy organically, sustaining the electric living light required for higher dimensional expansion. The 24-point Prosnick Kathara grid functions as the active, living blueprint for all cosmic creation, extending from the localized human scale to the universal structure. This massive blueprint suggests that evolution is not about generating more heat or creating more friction through speed. Internal alignment enables cosmic expansion. The self-regenerating flow of perpetual motion is sustained through the slow rhythm of organic oscillation.